Apply health and safety practices applicable in a training and assessment environment. Description: this unit deals in detail with the application of health and safety practices in a training and assessment environment. Scope: the unit or task covers the following: apply relevant health and safety practices in a training assessment environment, maintain a safe environment, maintain a healthy and hygienic environment, deal with emergency situations. Elements and performance criteria. So, promote a safe working environment and adhere to risk management strategies for clients, colleagues and others who enter the workplace in accordance with the duty of care requirement. Identify, control and report health and safety issues relating to immediate work environment according to procedures. Work safely and apply health and safety practices in the training and assessment environment, including using appropriate personal protective equipment where required. Document safety records according to organizational policies. To be competent, the user or individual on the job must be able to recognize health and safety related hazards in a training and assessment area. Follow procedures and instructions for dealing with hazards within the scope of responsibilities and competencies. Document and report all hazards, accidents and near-miss incidents as per set process. Provide guidance and support to learners on the safe use and care of equipment and resources. Conduct displays and demonstrations according to work safety regulations and school or center procedures and guidelines. Take appropriate steps if required to maintain personal safety of self and others. To be competent, the user or individual on the job must be able to maintain the training and assessment area in a clean and tidy condition. Respond appropriately to learners who require assistance with personal care or hygiene. Ensure all learners or candidates follow personal hygiene and grooming standards as required. Provide assistance with the general care and well-being of learners, including attending to learners with minor illness. Assist learners in need of minor first aid in accordance with school or center procedures. Deal with emergency situation. Recognize emergency and potential emergency situations promptly and take required actions within the scope of individual responsibility. Follow emergency procedures correctly in accordance with school or center procedures. Seek assistance promptly from colleagues and or other authorities where appropriate. Report details of emergency situations accurately in accordance with school or center policy, including accurate completion of accident and incident reports form. Knowledge and understanding. Training organizations, system, policies and procedures such as candidate selection, rationale and purpose of competency-based assessment, cost or resourcing. Organizational and record management systems and reporting requirements. Health, safety and environment issues relating to delivery of competency-based training, work area and inspections, procedures and practices. Waste and dangerous material disposal procedures and practices. Procedures for the recording, reporting and maintenance of workplace equipment. Health, safety and environment practices, including the appropriate use of personal protective equipment, hand gloves, safety shoes, safety goggles, mask, apron, safe use of tools and equipment, taking action and reporting hazardous events, communications protocol for reporting risk and hazardous events. Relevant occupational health and safety regulations, relevant statutory legislation, relevant enterprise site or safety procedures, enterprise or site emergency procedures and techniques, environmental legislation, how to provide health and safety instructions to others, relevant enterprise or site safety procedures, including identification of hazards and controlling of risks. Gen skills. Write health and safety compliance report. Interpret general health and safety guidelines. Communicate general health and safety guidelines to learners. Act in case of any potential hazards observed in the workplace. Take adequate measures to ensure the safety of students and visitors to training venue. Provide assistance with the general care of well-being of learners. Analyze what could constitute a health and safety risk or hazards. Recognize emergency and potential emergency situations. Identify what should or should not be done to protect from a health and safety risk or hazard.